संसदेत हुंकळत उरिल्ले बायलांचे आरक्षण विधेयक संमत करपाची मागणी करून काँग्रेसीन शुक्रारा थाराव संमत केलो। हो थाराव महिला काँग्रेसीच्या 40व्या स्थापणूक दिसा संमत जालो। पळयात संसदेत प्रलंबित आशिल्ले बायला आरक्षण विधेयक बेगीन संमत करपाची मागणी करपी थाराव गोवा प्रदेश महिला काँग्रेसीन स्वाक्षरी केल्या। संसद आणि विधानसभेत बायलां खातीर आरक्षणाची मागणी तांणी केल्या। हो थाराव दिल्लीक धाडटले आणि येवपी खाशेल्या विधानसभा अधिवेशनात तो सन्मान जातलो अशी आस्त बाळगितात। गोय प्रदेश महिला काँग्रेस अध्यक्ष बीना नायकान सांगले,
आज आम्ही हांगा जमिल्ले आसात because we are celebrating the foundation day of Mahila Congress. This is the 40th foundation day of Mahila Congress which we are celebrating, and we have taken a pledge also on the day of Mahila Congress, and then there is a resolution also which we are going to pass, which we have already passed, and the resolution says, I'll just read out the resolution, and that's the only thing. We pass a resolution for demand of passage of women's reservation bill pending in the parliament as early as possible. Reservation for women to parliament and legislative assemblies. The allocation reserved seats be determined by such authority prescribed by parliament. It was the dream of late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi to see women empowered. Madam Sonia Gandhi launched a signature campaign at Veer Bhumi on the occasion of 26th death anniversary of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. And this resolution, we are sending it to Delhi, and we hope that in the coming session, आता जे 8 दिवसाचे जे सेशन आसा त्यात हे बिल जे पहिले पेंडिंग आसा ते पास जातले म्हणून।
GOA365 खातीर विन्सेंट रोजारियो, मनीष परब आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू।